team really pulled it off. From the staging, to the food, to all the people that came. We're so excited, we even got a full price offer. Liz should be an interior designer with the staging. She thought of everything from the towels to the pantry, everything looked perfect. I'm gonna have to steal some of it and put it in my own home. The social media presence was amazing. The video had so many views, I think over 400 views within a week's time. Everyone was posting it on social media and retweeting it. I think that really helped us get a lot of people in today. For anyone looking to buy, sell, or rent, contact Liz at the Dawes team.